Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to describe a picture, mother and daughter in the kitchen. First, we will start with jumble sentences. You have 10 seconds to arrange the words and make a correct sentence. Let's start. The mother is cooking in the kitchen. The girl is holding a basket of fruits. Cups and plates are on the shelf. The mother is holding a wooden spoon. The girl is helping her mother. Let's describe the picture. This picture shows a mother and her daughter in the kitchen. The mother is standing near the kitchen counter. She is wearing a chef's cap and an apron. The mother looks happy and confident. She is holding a wooden spoon in her hand. It seems she is cooking something delicious. The kitchen looks clean and well organized. There are many utensils hanging on the wall. We can see a knife, a ladle, and a spatula. A red oven glove is also hanging on the rack. There is a big cooking pot on the stove. Shelves are fixed on the wall behind them. Cups and jars are kept neatly on the shelves. A small wooden stool is placed on the right side. The daughter is standing near her mother. She is wearing a yellow dress. Her hair is tied back with a small clip. The girl looks cheerful and active. She is holding a basket full of fruits. The basket contains apples, grapes, and other fruits. The girl is helping her mother in the kitchen. She may have brought fruits for cooking or eating. The mother is talking to her daughter. They seem to be enjoying their time together. The kitchen atmosphere looks warm and friendly. This scene shows a happy family moment. The mother is teaching her daughter about cooking. The girl is learning good habits at home. Cooking together builds a strong bond. The picture shows teamwork between mother and child. The colors in the picture are bright and attractive. Everything in the kitchen is arranged properly. The mother looks proud of her daughter. The girl looks excited to help. This picture gives a positive message. It shows love, care, and learning. Family time in the kitchen is very important. Overall, the picture presents a happy and healthy family life. For more picture description, like, share and subscribe to the channel.